Kuombeka Mount Kenya East area muthia igachita mathagune jamu Gikuyu nyuma ya bunge Banteri jikumira werone na kuoneka gutethaniria munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua kirigikaro na andiki banteto abunge bababario bakuma Meru Tharaka Nithi na Embu baugite minister wokaria bwandene Professor Kithure Kindiki niwe baigwete kenda gukinyira thirikari nene baugite Mount Kenya East iri na kura cia na kuombithia kugambira mugate jo munene kiri thirikari. Rita Mwaniki ni agutwambiriria cio.
Ambunge 14 akuma kaunti cia Embu, Tharaka Nithi na Meru ni marakanyiriria ati ni maragwata mbaru muthamaki wa bururi William Ruto na wira uria araruta mwena wa Mount Kenya East Nwati makauga mwaria wao kuri thirikari nene ni minister wa ugitiri wa ndari niwe Professor Kithure Kindiki. Ambunge aya ni marathi na mbere kuga riu makaragiriria mirandi ya uthii wa na mbere wa icigo mbunge na uteti wa kaunti ciao mari kindu kimwe.
As the registrators from Mount Kenya East and on behalf of our people, we have unanimously agreed that the link between us and the executive is Professor Kithure Kindiki. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. Mount Kenya East is on the rise. As a region, we have come of age and wish to henceforth converse development matters affecting our people as a distinct entity.
Makiaria mari tauni ya Embu kuvitukira mumbunge wa mbere iguru niwe Geoffrey Ruku marauga Kindiki niwe uria monete mwagiriru makiria ongivota kumatongoria niguo makore na vinya makiria thiini wa rwaria rwao kibururi.
We acknowledge the need for a strong linkage with the executive to fast track our region priorities. Through collaboration and constant dialogue, we are confident that Mount Kenya East will progressively secure a stronger recognition in the national agenda.
Ni marakanyirira kuga Mount Kenya East kuri na ikia kura engi na ugo giki ni gitumi makiria gia gwoswa na urito munene wa giuteti thiini wa bururi.
Mount Kenya East owed significant voting numbers, making us a critical region in shaping the political and development direction of our country. Our voice and corrective decision in the national matters cannot be assumed. As we continue to support and oversight the current government, we remind our leaders that our numbers matters, and we expect to see more development initiatives to reflect our contributions to the national vote.
Ambunge engi atano matinekinya mucemanio ri uyu no ati maraya vo urotha. Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, Mbita wa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.